So we're continuing the service of this Venus 175 manual chronograph movement, and previously we've stripped down the watch and cleaned it, and we've started reassembling the watch, and in particular we've reassembled the train wheels. And so this is part 4 of a 6-part series, and in this episode we're going to rebuild the keyless work and the motion work. And I'm going to start by lubricating the center wheel bearing, and I'm using D5 here. And I'm also going to use D5 on the center on the minute wheel post, on the additional setting wheel and the setting wheel. This is the third wheel, the fourth wheel, and the escape wheel. I'll be using 9010. I'm lubricating the center wheel pivot with Mobius 9501, which is a synthetic grease, and this is used because the cannon pinion is tightly fitting and we need adequate lubrication for that. And on goes the cannon pinion. And now to lubricate the winding pinion and the sliding pinion, again with 9501. I'm adding a drop of 9501 to the lower plate where the back face of the winder pinion comes into contact with the plate. And so in goes the winding pinion. And now the sliding pinion, sometimes called a clutch wheel. And now I'm lubricating the winding stem with 9501 grease. And now the stem can be refitted. And now the setting lever. And with the setting lever in place, I can now secure the stem by screwing down the setting lever with the setting lever screw. And now to refit the yoke. And I'm lubricating the yoke with 9501. I'm lubricating the groove in the sliding pinion with D5. And now I can refit the yoke spring. And I'm applying some 9501 grease to where the yoke spring comes into contact with the yoke. And so on goes the setting wheel and the additional setting wheel and the minute wheel. And with those in place, I can reinstall the setting lever spring. And I'm lubricating the setting lever spring again with 9501. And I'm removing excess lubrication using Rodico. And so with the keyless work and the motion work reassembled, in the next video I shall make a start on rebuilding the chronograph assembly. So, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.